Fundamentals of Chinese 1, Unit 11. Would you like to play ball? Pronounce it. Turn to pages 111 and 112 in your textbook and follow along. And take notes if necessary. Okay, you should be familiar with the pinyin here. You've seen this, but we can go over it again. So we have 好久, which means a very long time. And 好 we won't cover, but 久 we can just cover real quickly again. So it's kind of like 鸡. And remember the smiling when you see this I come after a consonant. And then this U in pinyin is pronounced like the O in toe. Just like O. So you have G-O. Jiu. Jiu. So let's try this together. The two characters together. 好久. 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 Good. Here's a fun one that always trips people up. This is 不错. Remember, 不 before a fourth tone will change to a second tone, as is described here. So this has to change to a second tone. 不错. This C, when it's an initial, when it's in the beginning, kind of sounds like the TS in cats. Cats. So you kind of isolate this cats sound, isolate it, and make it the beginning. 错. 错. So this UO kind of sounds like a oo, or. 错. 错. So let's try that 3 times first. 错. 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 And now let's put it together 3 times. 不错. 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 Excellent. Alright, this shouldn't be new to you, but we'll cover it again. Xi, so the XI here is like xi, smiling, and then you have an a with an ng at the end. Ang. Ang. Xiang. Third tone. Let's try that. Xiang. 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 Good. Okay. 觉得, I feel, or I think, I believe. 觉得. So this 句, this U here kind of is that French U where it's pronounced up in the lips. Ju, and it's this JU is like the Jew in Jupiter. Jupiter. And then you have an E as in be, bet. 觉. 觉. And it's a second tone. So let's try that first. 觉. 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 And now let's try it with the D on the end. 觉得. 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 Good. Okay, yo, you should have no problem with. Okay. So the S here kind of sounds like the S in soap. So you have yo, e, and s. Now remember, this I is kind of like a buzzing in the throat. S. It's like a trailing s. 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 It's just the throat. It's all in the throat. S. S. So we come up with 有意思. So let's try this whole thing together. 有意思，有意思，有意思。Good. Again, the I is just like the I we saw in is, s. And ZH is like the G sound as in gel, but with the tongue curled. So we come up with 纸. So let's try that 3 times. 纸, 纸, 纸. Good. Okay, 睡 is kind of interesting. In a way, it kind of sounds like an SH in English, but you know in Pinyin the SH is with the tongue curled. So it's sh with a way at the end. Shui. Shu. Shui. Shui. So my tongue is curled here. Shi. And then wei. Shui. Shui. In its 4th tone. Shui. Just try that 3 times. Shui. 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 And then you know jiao, ji and ao, jiao. So let's put it together. Shui jiao. Shui jiao. Shui jiao. Excellent. Alright, this poses trouble for beginners and advanced learners of Chinese. This S sounds like the S in su. This U sounds like the U in zu, so you're su, su, su. But this U, your lips are tightly closed. U, su. Not like su, but su, su. The U in zu is in the throat, but you want to try and get this U more up in the mouth. Su, suan, suan, suan. So you have the su and the an. Suan. Suanla. Suanla. So let's try this together 3 times. Suanla. 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 Good.别人, other people. So this is E, B, like in you're smiling when you say it. B, as in bet. Or put that H in there. Bie in its 2nd tone. Let's try that 3 times. Bie. 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 And now let's put it together with ren. Bie ren. Bie ren. Bie ren. Excellent. And that concludes this Pronounce It video.